Whose car is this?
It's a manual, it's mine.
Oh, it's a manual?
It's a manual.
Oh my, look how big this thing is.
See, she works.
That's a lot of weight, man.
It's a good car.
That's a nice car. Ooh! Yours starts right up, man.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna have some fun.
Oh, yes. We're gonna win this event in our Jaguar. Our Jaguar is badass.
Oh, you fuck.
We're gonna kick their ass.
We have some oil. We have the secret ingredient, power boost, and we have a nice smelly air freshener.
All right, Dada, what'd you buy for our car?
Nah, nothing.
Cigarettes, and I bought the Coke. Don't hit him now. No, 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 no.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Windows down. We're going to keep our sunroof open because it's actually quite a nice sunroof. What else are we going to do? And we're basically going to teach you American bastards how to drive. Close the door,
Oh.
Close the door quickly.
Wait, hold on. No, don't hit the door. Oh, you bastard. Dada, hold on. Oh! Dada's got his crash helmet on. Oh no! He's gonna get us! He's gonna get us! Oh no! Oh no! Dada, back up! Back up! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! He's gonna hit us hard! Get out now! Get out! Oh! Oh shit! No! Go! Go! No! No! Ah! No! Shit! Go! No! They're gonna kill us! They're gonna kill us! No! Shit! No! No! Oh! You bastards! Yes! 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 We're going about 50 miles an hour, and our wheels are about to fall off. Oh no! Die no! Oh no! Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Flip it. He said stop. Stop. Hey, let's look at damage report.
You got broke with your wheel.
Oh, no.